United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 250. Communications concerning marine scientific research projects. Communications concerning the marine scientific research projects shall be made through appropriate official channels, unless otherwise agreed. Article 251. General criteria and guidelines. States shall seek to promote through competent international organizations the establishment of general criteria and guidelines to assist states in ascertaining the nature and implications of marine scientific research.